X marks the spot.
Lily, Fofo, look! Duo gave us a treasure map. Duo said if we follow it to the X, we'll find the treasure. Wait, Zari, what's a treasure? Something special like gold.
Will the map take the kids to something special?
Ooh, I hope we can eat this treasure. A treasure map? Treasure maps aren't real. Are they? I guess we'll find out. Come on. Yay!
Are the kids going to look for the treasure?
I wonder what the treasure is. The map says to go. Over the bridge. I hope it's honey. Past the swings. Or maybe pizza.
Who is hoping to find something to eat?
And down the big slide. Woohoo! We made it! The map says the X is here. But I don't see an X. Or a treasure. Let's keep searching.
Does Zari want to keep looking for the treasure?
It has to be close. Wait, what's that noise? And why is the ground wet?
Is there water on the ground?
Wow! Amazing! I see the X. The water is making it. The treasure is... a splash fountain!
Was the treasure gold?